Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm gonna show you how I restore that deep shine on my vintage bike or any bike out there that has a clear coat over here. And this is gonna be quite interesting video, so subscribe and like, and I'm gonna take you through the steps where you need to do this. And everybody can do this that has a bike that has a clear coat. Now for this, I'm gonna zoom in here. This is what you're gonna need. You need a microfiber towel, nice and clean. By the way, I'm gonna put the links in the description so you guys can have a look. You're gonna need some sprayer here with the hot water. So I have some warm water there and a soap. And I'm also using the trusty instant detailer. Now keep in mind, this thing will work on the all the parts that are clear coated on the bike. It will also work on my crank, which is right here. And keep in mind, it will also work on the wheels. So something to keep that in mind. It will also work nicely. Now let's get into it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And here you go. You're gonna spray a little bit there, just a bit. And here, let's see. So what I'm doing over here, I want to make sure that I get rid of dust. So I'm gonna just make sure that I don't want to grind in any type of dust particles or anything that's on the clear coat. So that's why I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna just use that a bit to wipe off. You want to make sure that this thing is clean and dry. Now look what I'm doing now. Now this is where this guy comes in nice and handy. You're gonna take your instant detailer, and here we go. You're gonna flip the towel over here, and this is what's gonna happen. Just a bit. Just see how much you need. You don't need a lot. And this is what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna leave it to that. Now, just to prove it, what you can also do here, you can also do this on the chrome parts. Because if you look here what I'm doing, this thing is gonna work on the chrome parts, and I have some dust here. So let's see if I'm gonna be able to get rid of this. Now again, you should make sure that the dust and all kind of gunk is gone. And this is what I'm talking about. Now this is what I do to maintain my bike, and I'm sure you guys can do this. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna just go through here, and then what I will do, I'm gonna take you through the results. So this is right here. Now keep in mind, you can also do this on the wheels, because all the wheels that come on the bikes are clear coated. So again, I have a little bit of product here left over. Let me show you what I'm talking about. At the same time, don't be shy to go into spokes. There we go. And then, like I said, you're gonna just make sure that you don't have any kind of debris here left over. And now, this is the moment of truth. Let's check my work. I'm just curious to know if that paint is gonna pop. And look at that shine. Really nice. This thing is just amazing there. I'll let you see it. Just a beautiful shine down there. I love to zoom in just so I can show you what I'm talking about here. Very, very nice. Now I also want to cover the chrome part here. So this is your lever, the hubs. I should say the quick release hubs. And this is what's gonna happen when you do this is the results that you may expect. Now at the same time, I also have restored my hubs over there with this thing, and I also want to show you the my forks. I also do this to restore my forks, and again the chrome, and this is all you need. Now a lot of people tell you out there that you need the metal polish. You're gonna need this and that. Usually the metal polish is to restore the damaged paint and whatnot, but in this case, this is just a maintenance, and that's what I usually do to maintain this beautiful paint. and get this kind of results. So like, subscribe, and take care. And over to the right, I got more videos on my bikes. Take care.